guys, this is my 28th flight and going for my solo now. I'm supposed to be doing my solo maneuvers. I think it's P6S1 maybe, or is it S4? I don't remember. I'll put it in the title for this video. I'm supposed to go and do steep turns, turns around the point, and do some S-turns, and come back and do 2 landings. So I'm just going to try and do the 2 landings that I learned the last time I flew. The short field, soft field takeoff and landings. So let's go. Let's pre-flight the plane. Okay, let's get it started. Let's see, can I do this? Is that too far? Yeah, too far. Right. Okay. Cool. Let's do a return time. Return time is 11:45. Okay, leave this here. Seat belts not secured. Make sure I totally done this earlier. Seat back. Okay. Seats and seat belts secure. Lock this door here. Seats are secure. Avionics master switch off. Master switch on. Beacon on. Nav lights don't need it because it's daytime. Flight controls. Incorrect. Brake set hole. Let's do engine start. Make sure idle cut off. Throttle 1/4 inch. Auxiliary fuel pump, I think, maybe. Let's do a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Pull all the way and then turn it off. So wait till me. Ignition switch start. Clear prop! we go. Finally got this thing started. Recorded. Okay, magneto check. Back to both. Left. Back to both. Okay, looks good. Back. We'll do idle. Ammeter. Hang on. Let's do 1800. Forgot this ammeter. Normal charge. Engine instruments in the green. Throttle idle. Cool. Back to 1000. Make sure leaner. Takeoff briefing. So we're gonna take off runway 15. We're gonna do a short field takeoff. Take off runway 15, and then we would turn right to head north to Lake Stevens practice area. I hope that's okay. Let's see. The guy's taken off yet. Go forward. Do our takeoff. Miles. Many planes. Okay, I can skirt around Payne if I need to turn right. Okay. Okay, before takeoff. Flaps 10, because we're doing a short field takeoff. Make sure Rich trims up for takeoff. Doors, windows, secure. Time off 10:56. Recall landing strobe lights on. Heading indicator, gonna do 33. Actually 15. I'm gonna set the GPS to Harvey field so I know where it is. Okay. Engine in check. Cool. All right, let's go. 3 around. Okay. Harvey traffic 35121, taking off runway 15, turning north to the Lake Stevens practice area. Harvey traffic. Okay, short field takeoff. Cameras rolling. Okay, line up. Brakes set. Flaps 10. Full power. Engine instruments in the green. Release brakes. Yeah, more up. Clear obstacle. Push down to get the airspeed. 25. Flaps up. Back to VY. Perfect. Perfect. Cool. Lots of
Harvey traffic number 68727 on base for runway 15 Harvey traffic.
Okay. Alright, any crosswind? Look out for Payne field. Make sure I don't cross that. Going up to 1500. Okay, I'm going to target the sluice. I see it. Damn, flying a plane. That phone is vibrating too much. I need to get a different mount for that. Oh, actually, way past 15. Let's go to 2000. Actually, no. Let's go back to 1500. Make a decision because I can see the the freeway that we use for maneuvers, so I'm just going to use that and do my S turns, then go up higher and then turning on the point. Okay. Let's bring it back down to 1500. Okay, I'm avoiding pain. It's over there. Yeah, this is a perfect start right there. I see the freeway. The freeway is cutting across like this. That's US 2, I think. Go and do S turns at 1500. Okay, I'm at 1500. Maintain that altitude. Cool.
Good traffic,
Okay, switching to US 2, right? Lake Stevens practice area. November 35121, 1500, doing maneuvers and S turns around US Highway 2, Lake Stevens. I hope I got that radio call right. Okay, let's set. If this is the direction, I'm gonna face 340, I think. 340. Set my heading bug, 340. And I'm gonna start doing my S turns at 3. Wow. A bit choppy up here. Ooh. Very the choppy. No planes. Three 40 and then zeros. What is 030? Right, let's go. Let's turn. Coming. Yeah, kind of perfect. Look at that. All right, and then we do opposite direction at about 30 degrees. Where's the wind? 9300. Way faster, I need to turn more. Oh, just made it. One more. Oh man, I went a little bit high.
Southeast practice area, Cessna 163 Tango Whiskey is just west of the substation at 3,000 900 southbound, southeast.
I wasn't looking at my altitude. A little bit high now. You get out of pain airspace after this. Okay, that's not too bad. That is not too bad. Okay, let's go look for that flag. There we go. Alright, that flag. I'm gonna bring it down to... No, 1500 is fine. 1500 is fine. Just stick with it. 96 knots. Getting a tailwind. Okay, astern's done. I do a turning on point and then I'll do 2 steep turns and then head back to the airport. No planes around. Okay, the plane is flying on its own. Good. But doesn't like 1500 for some reason. Very choppy air up here. I see the flag. That's the big flag up in Everett. The big RV or boat sail place up there. Alright, let's do a turn to the point. Yep, the wind is definitely behind me.
Southwest Package Service, Skyhawk 633 November Delta, southwest of Eden Floor at 4000, Lazy 8, southwest.
Lazy 8.
Southeast Fax area 163 Tango Whiskey is 4,000 feet northeast of the Enumclaw, southbound, maneuvering southeast, looking for the Lazy 8 plane.
Gorgeous day. Oh my gosh. Wish you guys could see it out here. Oh! A little bit too far out. I'm not keeping my altitude properly. Okay, I'll make sure I hold it here. Checking from time to time. I have to like keep looking at my altitude, otherwise I'll just let it drop like this. Look at that. See? I think that's pretty nice. We're back in the same place. I wish I had like a GPS thing that the weight has, so I can see the circle around. There's a plane up there 1,000 feet above. Do one more circle and then we just head back to the airfield. See? We'll look. Okay, I think it's more like an egg shape. Look at Everett, gorgeous from up here.
Southeast Fax area, Cessna 4, Quebec Papa, 3,200 feet over Enumclaw, steep turn, southeast.
Okay, let's do some steep turns. Planes ahead of us? Nope. Alright, we're heading back.
Southeast Fax area, Cessna 163 Tango Whiskey's north edge of Enumclaw at 4,000, turning northbound, southeast.
Okay, I don't see anybody, so let's do some steep turns here. Steep turns. Let's go up. See, that's fine. It's 45 degrees.
Whisper Cessna, Skyhawk 633 November Delta, south, northwest of Inam Road, 3800, lazy 8, southeast.
Alright, let's go.
And West Prescott area, Skyhawk 6860 Papa over Port Orchard, 2500, climbing 3000 maneuvers, West Prescott area.
Okay. Alright, I did a 180. I do a right turn, steep turn. The plane at 1500 at 3000 feet actually, so no factor there. Steep turn. More steep. And level up. I did gain a little bit of altitude. Doing very well, but
Southeast track area, Cessna 163 Tango Whiskey is 3 miles east of Evergreen Sky Ranch at 4,000, heading north, southeast.
okay, need to avoid pain. Okay, 1500, trimmed up. So nice. Okay, Harvey's over there. Left downwind. Yep. Okay. 433. Gonna go past the and joining on the 45. Push my radio back to 123.
Loud and clear.
Descend. Aegis. Thank you. Don't need to obtain approach brief. We'll join you on 45 at 3 mile 45 for runway 33. Record landing fuel selectors both. Record landing strobe lights still on. Fixture adjust. Autopilot nope. Inop. Flaps as required. All right. Let's go. Whoa. That's Harvey. Pain 1500. Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Jefferson County area traffic, Goddard 50 Kilo Alpha. Is 5 miles to the north of Jefferson County, 2,500 southeast bound, headed for Seattle. Be looking out for the northbound traffic.
Okay, I need to avoid pain field. Almost didn't see that. Dropping to about 1,000 feet. Slow descent.
Harvey traffic, show lane 2016 Romeo, taking off runway 15 for a southbound departure. Harvey.
15. Okay.
Harvey, Synchron media check. Jefferson County area traffic, Goddard 50 Kilo Alpha 2,500. 2 to the northwest of the field, transitioning southeast bound. Jefferson County area traffic.
Woo! Just avoid the pain. Holy shit.
County area traffic, Goddard 50 Kilo Alpha, 2,500 feet overhead, southeastbound Jefferson County traffic.
Harvey traffic 35121, joining the 45 for runway 15. Harvey. Plane over there. I am not joining it correctly. Okay, I'm going to do a short field landing, so I need to do 80, 76 back to 1500. Not intelligent altitude. Go higher. Flaps 10. Harvey traffic 35121, turning base runway 15. Okay, I've never done this from 15, so I'm just going to aim at the aim for the numbers, but I'm going to be looking at the short line. The what do you call those lines? Remember? Harvey traffic 35121, turning final runway 15 Harvey. I turn to 8. But speed is okay, I'll correct it. Oh no. Harvey traffic 35121 going around. Harvey. I botched my...
Traffic number 68767, taking off runway 15 for...
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No planes around, okay, good. Pattern altitude, not maintaining pattern altitude.
Duncan Air traffic, Cessna 172, Gulf Victor Bravo Alpha. Currently over Shermanus 3,500, going to be working Shermanus to Crofton Mill. Traffic in the air, please advise.
Harvey traffic 35121, turning downwind runway 15 Harvey. Alright. We are a beam 1500. Lap stand. Alright, let's do this by the book. Let's slow the plane down a little bit. Alright. Cool. Harvey traffic 35121 turning base runway 1. Turning base runway 15 Harvey. God damn this mic.
Harvey traffic number 68767 departing the pattern to the northwest Harvey traffic. Number 0 traffic sky 2345 Zulu is 2.5 miles to the north 1700. Going to do a direct left downwind entry for runway 33 full stop number 3.
Harvey traffic 35121 turning final runway 15. Runway 15 Harvey. A little bit too fast. A little bit too fast. Keep for the line. For the line. This is definitely not. Definitely not short field landing. God damn it. How did I botch up that? Down though. Oh, that was ugly. Ugly. Ugh. Harvey traffic 35121 clear runway 15 Harvey. Ah damn it, after landing stream set for takeoff. That was terrible. Flaps up, feel leaner, breakout landing stream off. Alright. Let's do a soft field takeoff. So after we do the takeoff briefing, radio, continue to go around, don't stop, and immediately take off, hold the yoke back as hard as I can, and then the top of the float, plane will take off, and then straighten, do we get enough airspeed, and VY flaps up. Okay. Not working. Need more practice. Okay, avoid those two planes. Stay in the middle. Avoid that tail. Avoid this tail. Okay, at least I did my maneuvers. Oh. Okay, hold short. Not in the center. God damn. Before takeoff, flaps 10. Make sure she's rich. Trim set for takeoff. Doors, windows secure. Time off. 11:26. Record landing strip lights on.
Heavy traffic.
Indicator.
509 Lima, about 5 miles northwest of the field at 1,500. Descend to 1,000, and we're going to enter 45 on left downwind. 33, Harvey.
33, I'm taking off. 15. Okay, anybody in the pattern? 33. Harvey traffic 35121, taking off runway 15, staying in the pattern, Harvey.
Gotcha. Harvey traffic 6509 Lima, about 4 miles south northwest, and we're going to enter 45 on the 15, Harvey.
Great, thank you. Okay, so pull your back. Because it's a soft field, it will be back all the way. Do a rolling turn. On. Push forward. Get the airspeed up. 70. Okay, up. DY. Wow, that was great. I did it. That was a soft takeoff. Just looking at planes around. I'm gonna extend my departure. Traffic 35121. I'm going to extend my upwind to make way for the 45.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, turning 45, right downwind 15, Harvey.
Back down to pattern altitude.
Heavy traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, turning right downwind 15, Harvey. Over traffic, helicopter.
Safe for cleared.
What was that? Okay, I'm on pattern altitude. Good.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, turning right base 15, Harvey.
Harvey traffic 35121, joining the 45 for runway 15.
Traffic Zulu, final from the 33 full stop from grid.
Joining which 45? I should have said 2 mile 45. Joining 40, be like 10 fucking miles away.
Traffic, 6 o'clock.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 6509
09 Lima, turning final 15, Harvey.
Runway 33, low approach, Harvey.
Yep, he's landed. That's nice.
Hey, Normal Gray traffic, helicopter Guardian 1, final, runway 33, low approach, Harvey.
Your traffic, Cessna 5 Lima Whiskey is left base 33 at the final pass.
Harvey traffic 35121 joining downwind runway 15, Harvey. A lot of the effort is dedicated to planes around, making sure that, you know, we don't have a collision or
Harvey
something.
traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, clear of runway 15, Harvey.
Final
Good,
33.
flaps 10.
Harvey traffic, what runway was used?
15, thanks.
Soft field, so regular landing. Okay.
Harvey traffic, Skycatcher 6044 Papa is 5 miles to the west at 2000. Gonna go down onto the 45 for the right down for runway 15 left, Harvey traffic.
Harvey traffic 35121 turning base runway 15, Harvey. Okay, 70. Right.
Normal Gray traffic, helicopter Guardian 1 upwind will be departing area to the north, Normal Gray.
I'm on almost 80. Slow down a little bit.
500.
Harvey traffic 35121 turning final. Harvey traffic 35121 turning final runway 15, Harvey. Go down. Regular landing. 5. Hold it up, hold it up. Hold it up. Yeah. Yeah, I did it. Ah, I forgot to put flaps up. Dang it. But it was like off to one side. Go and hold the yoke back. I'm just driving the heck out of this plane. Oh. Okay. Not good at all. I don't like it. Harvey traffic 35121, clear runway 15, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, taking runway 15, staying in pattern, Harvey.
Oh. Okay. When do I need to return this? 11:45.
Harvey traffic, Skycatcher 6044 Papa is 2.5 miles to the southwest. Gonna maneuver onto the 45 for the right down for runway 15 left, Harvey traffic.
I wanted to go for another round, but I don't think I can make it. I need to return it by 11:45. Oh. But, you know, we try another time. That was not good. Wow, that was big. I'm so hot in here. Better open this thing.
Harvey traffic, schedule 6044 Papa is on the 45 for the right down for runway 15 left, Harvey traffic.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima upwind 15 and traffic on a 45 inside. We're going to make an upwind extension and follow you guys, Harvey.
You see me roll in. Got my hands out. Like, well, it was a fun day to fly anyway.
Traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, turning right crosswind 15, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, schedule 6044 Papa on the right down runway 15 left, Harvey traffic.
Harvey traffic.
wow, look at the twin engine. Is that Baron?
Harvey traffic, Cessna 6509 Lima, turning right downwind 15, Harvey.
Okay, let's not smash wings, okay? So, do we fit here?
Harvey traffic, schedule 6044 Papa, turning right base, runway 15 left, Harvey.
Wow, okay. Shutdown, brake set hold, avionics master off. Make sure I cut off. Ignition. Cool, master switch off.
Well, so as you can see, I did my required maneuvers, brought the plane back for two, landings for short fuel and soft fuel. Could not land the first time, was very high for some reason. Actually, both landings were high. Just that the last one, I slowed the plane down, purposely brought it down, and I could make it, but not an ideal landing. I need to practice more, probably because I haven't done this before a lot, and for some reason 15 I was going real fast. Maybe I had a tailwind. I did not check. I might have a tailwind that pushed me faster than I needed to be, and I struggled to slow down around base and final, and still fast and high. Preoccupied with trying to slow the plane down, and then I did not think about altitude, so I was high, and so it's all that thing where I remember Wade told me that that you need to start correct and follow the numbers as you come down base and final, and that will give you a good landing. So I did not hit that, and that's why everything else is just compounded effect. But it was a fun time to fly. I mean, it's the first time I'm flying solo. Got the plane, got the board, came up here, pre-flighted the plane, took the plane off, and landed the plane without Wade. I feel like a grown-up now, so that was fun. So anyway, maybe next flight's in about 2 days, I think, or maybe 3. Depends on the weather, and let's see what happens. Bye.